So in this video we will see how you can convert a decimal number to any base number. So let us just say so that if there is a decimal number like this and we can convert that number to any base number, so I will take that as r and the r value can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything it can be. So let us just take an example. If I take what is the equivalent value of 53 with base 10 when r is equals to 3. So if I want to do this conversion, so how to do that? So the process is you write the decimal number first, okay, and in the decimal number you have to divide the base and then you have to write the remainder. So first if I divide, so here I will get 17 and the remainder I will get here is 2. So it is important. Next further if I divide this, so I will get here 5 and then the remainder will again be 2. Okay, like this if I divide it again, so here I will get 1 and here the remainder will again be 2. So what I am getting? Remainders only I need to know. So in this I have to write the number in this manner, in this direction. So here the answer will be 1, 2, 2, 2, base 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Now in the same base if I take another example. So what will be the equivalent of 19 with base 10? And answer you have to find in base 3. So how to do that? So you have to take 19, then you take 3 here and then you have to divide. So if you divide, you will get 6 here and the remainder is 1. So 18 minus 19, 1. Then here again if I divide, it will be 2 and the remainder will be here 0. After this I cannot divide because 2 is now less than 3. So what will be the answer? You have to write in this direction. So the answer here will be 2, 0 and 1. So this is the conversion from 19 base 10 to base 3 number whose values will be 201. So like this whatever base is given, so what we are basically doing? So we are taking the decimal number here, okay. So that means I will take decimal number d here and then what I am doing? Whatever the base is there, I am dividing that. So I will get some value here, some decimal number again here and then we are keeping the remainder here. So it is remainder 1, let's say. Then you have to divide, again divide with the base, you will get d2, then you get remainder 2 and then you will get r, again you divide, you will get d3, then you will get remainder 3 here. Now after some time what will happen? When d3 will be less than r, so then after this obviously you cannot divide it and you have to write the in this direction the equivalent number. So what will be the equivalent number? So the equivalent number will be, so lastly if you divide you can write this as r3 also or d3 whatever you want, sorry r4. So r4, sorry, so you have to write that as r4, r3, r2, r1 with base 10. Okay. So this is how you can convert this is base r. So this is how you can convert any type of base number, decimal number to any kind of base number. Okay.